Me and hubby was in here working on the frame earlier today. So originally I only had this top square piece. I had it kind of leaned up against the wall with smaller wood panels. It wasn't working. It was killing my back. To be completely honest, it was definitely difficult. Neither of us know how to really build, and we were just kind of, I went and bought random sizes of wood and was like, let's make it work. And we did. I'm super happy about it. It is a 4-foot frame. So it is only 4 foot. However, I feel like that's gonna work for now. I will have probably like a 6 foot one. I'm thinking of upgrading, but I've noticed people stay around the 3 or 4 foot range. So I think this will work for now. But I did want to show you guys what it's looking like. Yeah, so as you can see, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna go ahead and get the commission rug knocked out of the way. So you're gonna see me doing that. I'm gonna put the, I said put the rug up. I'm going to put my cloth up and go ahead and get the image traced. Hopefully in the morning I can get up early and just start tufting. that is all I plan on getting done for tonight. It is 12:30, so it's pretty late, and I do plan on getting up around like 7, 8 o'clock, so I still need to shower and everything, but I did get it done. So it really is mirrored. It's just mirrored on here because the way I'm recording, so it reads it the right way, but honestly, when you look at it from my perspective, left to right is RTA. Anyways, you have to do that with letter rugs. You always have to reverse the image. Even if you make mug rugs, you have to do the same thing. But yeah, this is it for tonight. I'm pretty beat, I'm not gonna lie. I did get to sleep in this morning because my husband's the greatest, and he knew I've had a rough week with the girls, so he looked out. But I definitely need to get some rest because I'm going to power through this tomorrow, and it's really not a lot, and that's why I want to get it done. That way I can at least get it glued, send the photos to the customer, let them know, hey, this is what's going on. I do give an estimated time for 12 to 14 days. It's been 7, so I just like to give an update. That way people know their deposits aren't just getting blown and, oh, something came up. It's no BS. I don't know, I just like to have a little bit of, clarity. I do have her yarn already wound up. So this is the red and the black. I'm probably not going to need as much black as I thought. I may need more red. I'm a little scared of that because if you know lot numbers, it's a headache. We're going to see. It might work. This is a 4-foot rug. My frame is about a little bit over 4 foot. So it's like 4 1/4 or 4.5. It's like right between the quarter and the half mark. So that worked out perfect. I thought I was going to have to make a whole new frame. I still need to buy some more anchors to make it a little bit more sturdy, but it'll work for now because I'm not going to go out of my way to go to the store. I just have way too much to get done at home. Good morning or good afternoon. It's technically afternoon. It's really late in the afternoon, actually. I was supposed to get up early and get started on this. I didn't. I decided to take my husband shopping because he did need new clothes, and I promised him like a month ago I would take him shopping. I was just like, you know what? It's Monday. The stores are probably really chill. Traffic's probably not too bad. Let's go out because we do not go out a lot at all. So, that ended up turning into like 3 o'clock getting back. It's now like 3:45, which is terrible because I could have really had this done already, but that's part of the game. But yeah, we're gonna get started on this. I'll film a little bit of the process, not too much because it's hot in my garage. It's a hot day. I think it's like 85 right now already. Happy Monday, everybody. Enjoy me making this rug. Also, if you are interested, I do have custom rugs available on my website, customsmadebylexx.shop. You can get a 3-foot custom rug right now for, I believe, a little bit over $200. That does include shipping, so you will get free shipping on that as well. And it's any design that you upload. You just have to make sure you send me the photo of the upload and the name on the order. I will always confirm and make sure. I'm trying to figure out a way to do it that when you order it, you can automatically put it in the description or like upload an image, but I'm working on it. So just definitely send me via email, customsmadebylexx@gmail.com. Send me your item design and also your name. Make sure your name is somewhere in it, whether it's in the subject or anything. I will go through and confirm that you have ordered from me, and then I will create the rug. I'll send pictures before I ship just to confirm this is to your liking. Everything looks good. Now remember, if you send me an image and it's a green leaf, you're gonna get a green leaf. I'm not gonna edit it to orange. I'm not gonna edit it to black. I'm not gonna edit it to blue. If you send me a green leaf, you're gonna get a green leaf. If you send me a money moves, I'm gonna make you that, okay? Just a heads up. But anyways, I'm gonna get today started because I got a lot to do. And plus, I need to get more productive. I'm not productive at all. Okay, and this weekend I have really been chilling, and don't get me wrong, I'm glad I caught up on some sleep, but I need to get in grind mode, so. finished. Oh, I'm zoomed out. She liked it, so we glued it. We're done. have a couple minutes, but I'm gonna be quick. This is the final result. It's ATR. This is a custom rug that I made. I had took pictures and sent it to the customer. I'm sure she'll approve since she already seen it on the frame and was like it was perfect. But this is it just fully carved. I did add non-slip backing as well as add the hooks to it to make it hangable. It is 10:30 at night. I'm going to relax a little bit.